We have 2007 CLS 550. This is our buddy Jose. He sent us the EIS, and then we get it program emulator. The old key that he has does not work at all, so you can see doesn't turn, still red. So we program him an emulator. This is our very own, and we program a brand new key as well. You can see, click, turn, start the car with no problem. You can make him another key, hook him up. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Any Mercedes-Benz you have, I can program you an emulator and a new key fob. Just send me these EIS that you have, and I'll take care of you. Alright, good stuff.